Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas, and as you know, I am doing giveaways for you guys all throughout 12 Days of Christmas, so if you want to see what today's giveaway is, then make sure you stick around to the end of the video. But first, today's Christmas sweater of the day is a really special one. Don't judge how huge it is on me. They only had large at Target, but I still really needed to get this sweater. So, drum roll. Dreaming of a Dwight Christmas. And maybe I'm the only one that finds this really funny. But if you don't know who Dwight is, then maybe go watch The Office and then come back. Anyways, today's look was intense. Just the face took me 3 hours. So if you want to see how I transformed into this really creepy version of the Grinch that I found from Will Hughes 3D on Instagram, then keep watching. But first, before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications, and the giveaway will be at the end. Let's just jump into it, guys. Alright, let's just get into it. We gotta glue the brows down. If you're new here, I do this for almost every single look. It's non-toxic glue, washes off with water. So now we're taking the Mehron Paradise AQ palette and taking these different greens and just mapping out the face. This one was really intense, so I just wanted to map everything out first. So we had to disguise the nose, so the top lip of the mouth is going to be along the line of the nose, and then the bottom lip is his bottom lip. So now I'm just filling everything in and starting on the body. The body isn't going to be too much, but you know, he still needed like his neck hairs and everything. So I'm taking the sponge and kind of like dragging it down, which makes it look more like fur. So I did add some splatters to his skin to give him a little more texture, and now I'm just shading everything with the Just My Look palette from ColourPop. The really good green palette. So this whole look was just a lot of shading, a lot of creases all around his face. So now I'm just doing the brows with the darker green shade. It is starting to come along a little bit here. It's just like constant shading and then going back and shading more. And then now I'm using a black face paint and deepening those creases even more. And then we're gonna go back and shade it again. Now I'm adding a little yellow to the teeth, and now we're gonna outline the teeth just to make them pop. I really wanted to just get those teeth in so I could kind of like visualize if the illusion was coming along. So this part takes so long, and I'm using the smallest brush. I think it's a number 1 or number 2 face paint brush. And now the highlights. So we want to highlight this part so that it doesn't look like my nose is really there. I wanted it to disappear. And then adding the tiny little highlights to the top of the teeth. We gotta powder all those highlights as well. Don't want anything to be sticky. And we're shading again because I just feel like it wasn't intense enough. And usually in photos, the shading doesn't come out as dark, so you just want to overshade everything. Now I'm using like a little fan brush to kind of give that fur texture, adding a little darks, then lights, then darks, then lights, all layering up. And there you guys go. I look so creepy. I couldn't handle looking at myself in this one. Oh man, I really hope you guys like it and that you think the illusion worked out. And let me know if you can see where my face is in this. So yeah, if you did like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. I know you guys want to see what the giveaway is for today, so okay, I really did want to keep this because I absolutely love these lipsticks, but I feel like this is really cool for you guys. So today's giveaway is this from Milani. You want to see what it is? Ta-da! So you're gonna win all of these lipsticks, lots of different colors. So yeah, I think this one is really cool. Everything's fully packaged and will be sanitized. So all you have to do is like this video, hit subscribe, comment what the sweater of the day is, go to my Instagram, you gotta like the post from today, which is the Grinch one, and then comment and tag 2 friends on Instagram, and also be following me on Instagram, of course. And that's all you have to do. And then I will pick the winner Saturday, tomorrow at 11:59 PST. Yeah, so if you want to win these Milani lipsticks, just check out the rules below. Also, the winner of the Hocus Pocus giveaway from yesterday is listed down below as well if you missed that on my Instagram. And yeah, I really hope you guys liked today's video, and I will see you guys on Sunday with day 3 of 12 Days of Christmas. Bye.